Hello everyone, my name is Shirley. I'm working as business manager in Sinoway. Today, I'm very happy to introduce you about our company. You may be curious, what's the difference between Sinoway and other companies? I would like to say that our Sinoway make every endeavor to be professional and innovative to service our customers. Today, I'm very happy to invite other three colleagues to join with us to introduce together with me. Firstly, let's invite them to say hello to everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Xiamen. I'm working as CEO of Sinoway for over 10 years. I graduated from West China University of Medical Science Pharmaceutical College in 1989. After grad, I worked 3 years at Xiamen No. 2 Pharmaceutical Factory for R&D and joined Sinoway since 1992. We focus on pharmaceutical, big health industry, and deeply love this industry. We are doing everything for human health.
Hi, this is Penny. I'm in charge of Quality Assurance Department, Sinoway, and I joined Sinoway in 2011 as soon as I graduated from Shenyang Pharmaceutical University.
Hi, I'm Annette. I work as the project manager and the technical support in Sinoway. I joined in Sinoway in 2017 after I got my PhD in pharmaceutics in West China School of Pharmacy, Sichuan University. During my PhD project, I have got a chance to be a visiting scholar of Johns Hopkins University.
Okay, welcome all of you to join this topic. We will introduce Sinoway through these 4 parts. Who we are, what products we are working, how to be the customer's professional consultant, and how to keep innovative and enthusiastic. At the beginning, please allow me to show you a short video about the general information of Sinoway.
Sinoway was established in 1987 in Xiamen, China, and now has been a leading group specialized in research, development, custom manufacturing, and trading of pharmaceutical intermediates, APIs, health and food supplements, cosmetic raw materials, herbal extracts, polypeptides, prostaglandin derivatives, and finished dosage form. We have passed ISO 9001-2015 with high-quality products, competitive price, and excellent service. We have the recognition and trust from our customers all over the world, like Southeast Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Middle East, and other countries. We have over 20 years good partners in Japan, Korea, and Switzerland, etc. Sinoway has a professional R&D team and established a good scientific research cooperative relationship with many research institutes and universities in China. We have very close and friendly cooperation with pharmaceutical factories in China. These pharmaceutical plants not only have modern workshop, advanced production equipments and testing equipments, first-class laboratory, but also have a team with rich production experience and exquisite workmanship. We can supply various pharmaceutical APIs and finished products satisfy EP, USP, BP standards, and many products approved by GMP, EU GMP, COS, CEP, FDA. We believe that quality and innovation are the vital for the long-term development and success of an enterprise. Adhering to the business philosophy of integrity management and win-win development, Sinoway is looking forward to cooperation with you.
After 33 years development, we have accumulated lots of good products to share with our customers worldwide. From the beginning of this year, COVID-19 started to spread worldwide. Sinoway, as a company pursuing for human healthness, we had a strong mission to fight with this virus. So, at that time, Sinoway immediately started to focus on developing anti-COVID-19 items both on raw materials and medical devices. We worked day and night to investigate the market and the product situation. We visited factories frequently to do the audit and inspect products. Currently, we are supplying below items frequently to worldwide to help our customers' countries to combat with COVID-19. We do believe our human will defeat COVID-19 very soon. The APIs for antivirus we are supplying includes entecavir, hydroxychloroquine sulfate, lamivudine, etc. The medical devices we are supplying includes KN95 FFP2 protective mask, disposable medical mask, coverall, etc. All these items are CE certified by notified body. They can be sold in EU market freely. Other hot items range from health ingredients, APIs, and intermediates. For example, nicotinamide mononucleotides, NMN in short. This is very effective ingredient for anti-aging. We are also doing customer manufacturing for key intermediates of resveratrol, peptides, prostaglandins, and thiophanate derivatives.
We are supplying all APIs from GMP-certified production site. We supply documents including GMP and DMF, etc. for our customers' registration after signing the secret agreement. This is the list of some items we export regularly with high quality and competitive price. Regarding intermediates, Sinoway can not only supply regular pharmaceutical intermediates with special quality requests from our customer, but also some new structures which cannot be easily found in the market. For instance, we successfully helped one of our over 20-year Japanese customer to develop a completely new intermediate, which has not been chemical abstract numbered at the time, and assisted them in launching its generic on market earlier and winning a comparatively large market share. Also, we helped one of our EU customers to improve an intermediate to higher quality and save its production cost.
Sinoway can supply ingredients with different specifications and prices. Sinoway has advantages in providing the dietary ingredients for antioxidation or improve immune systems. For example, we can do resveratrol from AC 50% to 99% by HPLC with documents like CGMP, ISO, kosher, HADA certificates. We also supply cosmetic ingredients like beauty peptides. These peptides could achieve significantly whitening anti-wrinkle functions.
Basically, Sinoway is a trading company, but we are not just doing selling and buying. Most importantly, we do a lot of work to make product development and quality control. For the next, we'll companion Annette to introduce more about our technical concerns.
Sinoway strictly control quality of our products. Firstly, we cooperate with the national testing third party to control quality. Our national testing third party can do the testing of purity, assay, heavy metals, pesticides, water content, residual solvent, etc. We do the testings before sending the commercial products to our clients. Moreover, we have Chinese GMP, EU GMP, or US FDA approved sites to do the custom developing or manufacturing according to your requirements.
Sinoway also do customer manufacturing for APIs and intermediates with following 4 steps. Step 1. 1 to 2 weeks for evaluation the possibility. Step 2. 1 month for evaluation of quality and make sample in lab. Step 3. 3 months for pilot scale and evaluation the cost. Step 4. 6 months for commercial production.
Yes, as Dr. Wang and Penny said, there are really a lot of detail works to do to be professional. Then, our CEO, Mr. Xie, will introduce the key path to be professional. That is keeping innovative and enthusiastic through constant learning and practicing.
Quality and innovation is our priority. We set strategic cooperation with universities and professional research institutes as our technical support. We offer the one-stop solution supply chain from R&D to up-sales service. We focus on meeting the customer's highest quality requirements.
Besides the professional technical support, Sinoway set overseas warehouses in USA and Canada. Sinoway attends exhibitions worldwide to get close to the market. Sinoway visits customers frequently as old friends. Sinoway make internal training and team building every month. In conclusion, cooperating with Sinoway means quality in guarantee with National Institute as our QC center and customer developed manufacturing sites. OEM, GMP-certified customer manufacturing sites in Zhejiang and Jiangsu Province, China. Competitive price and guaranteed quality. Very solid partnership with top managements of main pharmaceutical companies in China. Get access to the latest pharmaceutical or healthy technology. Close cooperation with many pharmaceutical research institutes and universities in China. Thank you very much for your kind attention. We sincerely hope to establish partnership with customers all over the world. At such special moments with distance restrictions due to COVID-19, we would like to share with you more online. Please don't hesitate to contact with us. Hope after COVID-19 we can meet face-to-face soon. Thank you very much. Bye.